Hi, welcome to a SolidWorks 2023 video tutorial. It's a follow-up to the last one, and I want to show you another way to do that cylinder, a more traditional or even more obvious way. So let's hide that solid here. And I want to start with a sketch on the front plane. So this will be a rectangle, which should start right here. Could try to snap here, yes. And I need a dimension, and that dimension should be 136 divided by 2. Like that. Leave that sketch, and now let's make a revolved boss base. And the axis should be that axis here, that one. So try to select it, maybe here. And confirm. Nice. I need another sketch on the front plane. Again, another rectangle, maybe like that. Add some dimensions, at least here. This should be 75. And let's align it beforehand. So these 2 points should be aligned vertical. Yes. This should be collinear with or coincident with that plane. And I need another dimension. And this should be 1.67. Confirm. Finish that sketch, and let's make another revolved boss base, again with that axis here as axis, and confirm, and it should be merged, yes. Now I can of course make a linear pattern, and direction would be again that axis here. Spacing and instances, yes, spacing should be 6.67, and I need 31 instances, yes. And I want to pattern a feature that last revolve this one here. Let's reverse the direction and confirm. Great. Next, another sketch on the front plane again. And let's go for a rectangle. And I will need a fillet. And that fillet should be the same dimension as this is wide. So this should be 7 millimeter. Now let's see if we can do that fillet with 7 millimeter, but I don't think so, because usually you have a problem if it's the same dimension, so that it cannot be done. Therefore I want to use a circle. So let's go for a circle like that. Yes. Put this point onto that point. And let's go for extend this one here. Now trim. This could be removed, and those two could be removed. And I need another dimension from this line to that point, and this should be 47 millimeter. Now that plane and that line should be collinear. And now the distance between this one and the sketch origin should not be 75, because you will get that parasolid kernel problem. It should be 74.999. So let's go for dimension from this one to you could go for that axis or go for this point here, and this should be 74.999, for example. Okay, confirm, finish that sketch, and let's make a revolve around that axis here. So go for revolve boss base and select this line here as axis, and it should be merged. Yes, and confirm. Nice. And now I can do a circular pattern with that feature. So let's go for circular pattern. Axis would be, of course, that axis here. I need 4 instances, 360 degrees, equal spacing, yes, and I want to pattern 2 features. No, it's just one, sorry. That revolve and confirm. Nice. Now we can start to remove. Let's go for like this. I can use sketch number 3. Where is it? Boss extrude. There you should. Yeah, there you go. Make an extruded cut. Make it mid-plane. Go for 200 and confirm. Great. Then I need a hole up here, so let's go for the hole wizard. Let's see which values it's. Okay, it should go through all, and the diameter should be 126. Let's go for positions, select that surface and try to snap on that center point. Leave that sketch and okay, great. Then what's that last revolve? The original one, it's that one. So let's do another hole wizard. Go for blind. Make it 10 in diameter. Depth 20. Go for positions. Select the surface. Go there. Move here. Try to snap on the center point. Yes. And confirm. Now what's left to do is just another circular pattern, and axis is here. That's the same as before. Features and faces, that's that hole wizard feature, and confirm. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, GrabCat, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.